Hi friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, oven roasted ribs or oven baked ribs. To see how I prepare this recipe, stay tuned. So friends, in today's video, I will share with you one of my favorite recipe, simplest way to make easy oven baked ribs. Combination of spices, yellow mustard, and a bit of oil. Pork ribs, thoroughly washed and clean. Do keep in mind I will go ahead and leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below. First thing first, you want to go ahead and thoroughly dry your ribs, and then you can apply your favorite seasoning. So friends, when it comes to making oven baked ribs, you certainly can use any of your favorite seasoning. So friends, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. On this platform, we do weekly videos. And also be sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook. And be sure to like. So friends, once fully seasoned and marinate, overnight preferable, of course an hour or so before baking. Of course, when it comes to taste and flavor, makes a big difference. Next, at 375, I'm going to go ahead and place it in the oven and cook as needed. So friends, here we are after 1 hour. Next, I'm just going to go right ahead and baste it with some brown sugar, barbecue sauce, and place it back in the oven for a few minutes. So friends, here we are. Easy and simplest way to make oven baked ribs. If you make the recipe, tag me on Instagram. So friends, I hope you give this recipe a try, and also feel free to leave any question you may have below. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time.